Hello.
Let's practice English.
Do you ever feel, what do I say now?
Yes, all the time.
You know English, but no words come?
Exactly. My mind goes blank.
Don't worry, we fix this today.
Really, I need this.
Today's topic,
What to say in every situation.
simple English, real life.
Stay with us, you can speak.
Alex, how are you today?
I am good. A little confused.
Confused? Why?
I meet people, I don't know what to say.
Very common.
Good, I am not alone.
Let's start simple.
Yes, please.
First situation, meeting someone.
Oh, yes, scary.
What do you say? Say, hi, how are you?
Oh, easy.
Repeat with us.
Ready.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Then they ask you.
Yes.
You say, I am fine.
Simple.
Small story.
Tell me.
I met a new friend.
And?
I stayed quiet.
Oh no.
I felt shy.
What did you do?
I said, hi, I'm Alex.
Nice.
See? Small sentence.
Big help.
Next situation.
Yes.
At a shop,
Oh yes.
you want something.
But feel nervous.
Say, I want this.
That's easy.
Or say,
What?
how much is this?
Very useful.
Repeat.
How much is this?
Good. Funny moment.
Haha, tell me.
I said, how many is this?
Oh no.
Wrong sentence.
Yes.
Correct is,
How much is this?
small mistake.
Big difference.
Now next situation.
Let's go.
You don't understand.
That happens a lot.
What do you say? Say, I don't understand.
Oh, easy.
Or say,
Yes.
can you repeat?
Very helpful.
Repeat with us.
Ready.
I don't understand.
Good.
Can you repeat?
Nice.
Real story.
Tell me.
Someone spoke fast.
Oh no.
I was lost.
Same.
I said, please speak slowly.
Good idea.
Now you try.
Okay.
Please speak slowly.
Perfect.
Next situation.
Yes.
You forget words.
Happens always.
What do you do?
I stop speaking.
No.
Then?
Say, wait, let me think.
Oh, smart.
Repeat.
Let me think.
Good. Funny moment 2.
Haha.
I forgot a word.
And?
I said, give me that thing. I used hands.
That works.
See? Communication matters.
Not perfect English.
Now, mid-video task.
Yes.
Write in comments.
I am learning English.
Do it now.
We're watching.
Next situation.
Yes.
You want help.
Important.
Say, can you help me?
Very useful.
Repeat.
Can you help me?
Good. Real life example.
Tell me.
I was lost.
Oh no.
I asked, can you help me?
Did they help?
Yes. Very kind. Next situation.
Yes.
Saying sorry.
Important.
Say, I am sorry.
Easy.
Or say,
Yes.
sorry, my mistake.
Good one.
Repeat.
I am sorry.
My mistake.
Nice.
Next situation.
Yes.
Saying thank you.
Easy.
Say thank you.
Or thanks.
Small story.
Tell me.
Someone helped me.
And?
I forgot to say thanks.
Oh no.
I felt bad.
Always say thank you.
Now practice.
Ready.
Thank you.
Good.
Thanks a lot.
Nice.
Next situation.
Yes.
Saying goodbye.
Easy.
Say bye.
Or see you.
Repeat.
See you.
Perfect. Now quick tips.
Let's go.
Tip 1. Use simple sentences.
Very important.
Tip 2. Speak every day.
Even little.
Tip 3. Don't fear mistakes.
Be confident.
Tip 4. Listen and repeat.
Practice more.
Now speak with us.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I don't understand.
Nice.
Can you help me?
Perfect.
Say again.
Yes.
I can speak English.
Strong voice.
Now pause.
Try speaking.
Say 2 sentences.
Do it now.
Quick recap.
Today we learned
What to say in situations.
meeting people,
Asking for help.
saying sorry,
Saying thank you.
and more.
Final question.
Yes.
What do you say first in English?
Tell us in comments.
Thank you for watching.
You are doing great.
Keep practicing.
Speak every day.
Like this video.
Subscribe now.
See you soon.
Bye.